Hello. Okay, it's easier for me to talk and just show you and record this than it is to email all 30 of you individually about why you are still not able to access stuff. So thank you for being patient with me as I learn all the intricacies of Google Classroom. So here's what the problem was. In classwork, I thought this folder was a place where I could put files where you'd access them and I'd access them and they would just be a nice shared place. That's not the case. This folder is for me, your instructor. For those of you who have submitted your practice quick check, all those files get saved into this folder. So this folder is for me, technically, not for you. So I originally shared access to this folder with everyone, and then I had to go back and delete all that. So what I've done instead is I've created a separate Google Drive file right here. So here is where you can access all the files for this course. So Honors Pre-Calculus student folder, student files. So if you go in there, you should have access because I've shared it via the link. In here, you should now have all of the everything that you need. So that would include, if I go back up one, no, okay, let's come back here. All right, so including the schedule and homework assignments, that PDF, which shows what homework is due tomorrow, what 10 problems are due tomorrow. And again, if I didn't say it in class, because this is the first week, grace, no penalty if you submit these things late. I care that you do them and you learn from them more than that you get it done tomorrow. So no stress, no worries. But get it done if you have your book and you can. And again, check your work. Textbook solutions, all here. So chapter 1 solutions, right? Section 1.1, ignoring the exploration because that's not the homework assignments. Right? So right here, short answers. And then when you look in other places, you've got more descriptive showing of work, how things get there. So check your answers after you have worked them out. What you will see from what we did today, class notes 1.1a, already populated in there for you is the notes that we're going to be using tomorrow. So if you want to have those preloaded on your Notability to take notes in class, or again, the solutions are already posted here as well. So if you would rather have the solutions in front of you so you don't have to write anything down, but you just want to watch and track with me as we go over it, that's totally fine too. Whichever method helps you learn and retain information better. If you retain information better, if you have to write it down yourself, I highly recommend that you open up and at least start with the blank ones, right? I'd recommend for everyone start with the blank ones. Okay, so again, how do you access all of the files that we need, whether you're in my first period or my second period? It's the same. At the very top of the classwork, outside of all of these intros, get our files here. And then again, also, if you weren't sure about what happened today, right, if you were just distracted, if your mind wandered and you want to go back over the notes again, YouTube video links to the notes. As always, please email me again if you have any questions or concerns. I will be getting back to some of you about the textbook pages. I'm working on that right now, but I wanted to get this video sent out to you first.